Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes stop word suggestions while typing in Notepad Windows 11 fix. Open time and language settings. Change typing settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.